What's up, Strivers Money Crew? Have you ever wondered how to make money online without getting sucked into scams or dead-end gigs? You're not alone. In today's digital age, it can be tough to separate the real moneymakers from the fakers. But worry no more. We've got the lowdown on legit ways to make money online that'll blow your mind and fatten your wallet. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of online money making that actually works. Meet Steve, a 35-year-old dad who's tired of the daily grind and longs for a side hustle that'll bring in extra cash without sacrificing precious family time. He's tried everything from surveys to online marketplaces, but he's still searching for that golden ticket to online income. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up, Strivers, because just like Steve, you're about to uncover the secret sauce to making money online that others only dream of. Did you know that in 2023, over nearly 75 million people in the US worked as freelancers or independent contractors? That's a whole lot of online money-making potential. But how can you stand out from the crowd and make bank from the comfort of your own home? Well, let's find out. 1. Create a niche blog or YouTube channel. Find a topic you're passionate about and share your expertise with the world. Build an audience, monetize with ads, and partner with brands for sponsored content. Cha-ching! 2. Offer online courses or workshops. Are you an expert in a particular field? Turn your knowledge into cash by creating and selling online courses or hosting virtual workshops. Teach and profit. It's a win-win. 3. Design and sell digital products. From ebooks and printables to website templates and digital art, the possibilities are endless. Create once, sell 1,000,000 times. Now that's passive income. 4. Virtual consulting or coaching. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services in your area of expertise. Help clients achieve their goals while boosting your bank account. 5. Online arbitrage. Buy low, sell high. Hunt for deals online marketplaces and then resell for a profit. It's like treasure hunting, but with dollar signs. In summary, to maximize your online income potential, remember to 1. Choose your niche wisely. Focus on your passions and skills. 2. Create high-quality content that keeps your audience engaged. 3. Promote your products or services through social media and online communities. 4. Network with others in your field to build connections and gain visibility. 5. Stay persistent and patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Now, it's your time to take action. And check out the related links in the description. And make sure to watch our other videos on money making and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.